Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Before we get into today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on an upload, and leave a comment below saying I subscribed and hello, and I'll always say hi back. With all of that said and done, let's jump into the video.
It's time to do.
Round 4, X2 at the moment, and we're up against Mr. Ryan, who's playing his Runick for Hire deck. I love playing against Ryan. I think he is a very, very strong pilot of whatever deck he chooses to play. I don't know how he does it, but he has the capacity for so many different TCGs, and he's very good at all of them. But yes, so he's gone first, built his combo, and passed to us where we're able to pretty much play for free. Yeah, he read to negates Purrely by getting rid of Gigantic Spright. But then we just get a Lily. Lily's going to grab us field spell. We're going to relinquish Anima the red, go into a happiness. That back row is just kind of concerning to me, but we grab a sleepy. We're going to discard to summon. We're going to go into Purrely. Purrely's effect. And we hit a happy. So we're able to actually continue on into a second happiness. We're going to end phase, get a delicious under the first happiness. Or second one. And we're just battle phasing now, sorry. Just getting some mats under our monsters. And we're going to go into a Noir here. A Zeus there. And then a Sleepy under that one. That was in the end phase, so we passed with a Zeus and a Happy on field, protected with the effect of Happy Memory. He's going to Destruction, get rid of the Zeus. We allow it. And we draw 3 off our Happy Memory. Or our Happiness, sorry. He's going to go the Rex for hire. We Diddy Crow the Rex to stop him in his tracks a little bit. So he goes Rex effect. But yeah, I think he realizes he can't play, so we scoop it up and go into game number 2. So we get the win there. If only game number 2 was that quick. So this game takes a considerable amount of more time. It's a longer game, and he actually pushes us into time where he gets the win by life points, so we end up drawing this round. So the final result of this tournament is X1-2, so yeah, a bit disappointing, but is what it is. At least from what I can remember. Let's see if I've still got those results. So round 1 we beat Simon, round 2 we beat Luke, round 3 we lose to Toby, round 4 we draw with Ryan. So we go X1-1. My mistake. Yeah, so he's got the red and the carrot here, so he's got a bit more of a board to play through. I noticed that we exchange resources quite a bit in this round, but neither of us really push enough to take the game. So that's feedback for me to take on board, is just to, as always, slow down, look at the game state, acknowledge my opponent's resources and what they've got in hand and on field, and engrave, and then just work towards a board that can either completely discombobulate my opponent, or take the game and not, wipe the board, pass, let them re-establish, wipe the board, pass, let them re-establish, sort of thing, because that's what keeps happening. And eventually one of us is going to run out of resources, and 9 times out of 10 that's going to be me. So yeah, I wasn't expecting the kaiju. That, if I didn't get kaiju'd, I think I would have had game. That thing comes back to bite me many times. Yeah, because I had a pretty big noir there, which was really disappointing. But yeah. Goes into sprint. Gigantic. Grabs. He's going to Ibly lock me. Which actually isn't a massive issue for me, because we have the link monsters that we can use to get Ibly away. So I just go into a Azalea to get rid of the Ibly and pop the fountain. Just because he had 2 cards in hand, I was a bit concerned that they were both Runick quick plays. So I think I just go battle here and make him quick link into the Griffin. Yeah. So I chain Pretty Memory to grab the Purrely, and then we're able to anima the Griffin, and then get a Purrely. So like, this just all looks really, really good for me, but again, I wasn't aggressive enough and I wasn't able to capitalize where needed. I thought, oh yeah, I've got the Azalea, I've got the Beauty, I've got the anima with the Griffin. He's left with a Donna, 2 cards in hand, that's it. So I'm trying to establish another Noir and just keep getting Purrely, but we miss off the Purrely. Just having a look at his grave to see if I had any worthy targets for Dark. But there wasn't really. Just kaiju's me again. And he's just able to go off. Unfortunately, he looks at the timer and gets into Immunum, which gains him enough life points to take the win. Yeah. So we're going to Dark, which I can't because 2 light monsters, so we go into Princess Spright. I don't know why I thought I could make Dark with 2 Purrelys. Make a Zeus. He activates Fountain. And this is where makes a Donna. And I'm going to Zeus here. But I still lose my Zeus because of the effect of Donna. And then he gets immune and he not burns but heals, to get the win off me. So the final result's X11 as we wrap up this locals. Yeah. I was thinking of happiness, but nah, we can't. get life points down to where we need them. So we wrap it up there. Thanks very much, guys.
You're